If I continue what they do now, very disrespectful boy.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the world to make a better place. So let's start.
Oh my God. Okay, so I go just continue with you for my second gist on top Yan the Yan this morning. And this particular one I want to tell you, it is very amazing. And I go tell you the reason why I think saying a very, very sploofic something. Because this particular mad woman, she born Pekin. Now, the weekish where she born, on Lucas, that one, waka pass people, then talk, say the Pekin, they very, very healthy. Say the baby, they very all right. And the body of the Pekin, say, na very, very, a bouncing, beautiful baby gay. I go tell you this thing now. They say residents of Shodikpo Estate for inside Agbara, Shodikpo Estate for inside Agbara, Ogun State, they say their eyes on top Friday is see something. Then something that Friday. They say one particular woman where they craze well, everybody sabi her for that year, say she be person. She don't born Pekin before, she don't born reach 4. But she dey always run because she because they talk say people where they no know go just come carry her children them. So she dey always run. Now one particular guy where then they call Comrade Femi Okeowo, in talk say in just the waka in own that morning when he see say this particular mad woman, she don't born Pekin. You understand? Say her. Say the way when she see the Pekin before she go do and strong thing, and she just walk out close to Ram. Tell them, say neighbors they look or people they look, but then they fear to collect the Pekin for her hand, make them call social service because of the fact say she feel just turn violent or something like that. Now in just walk out, go just tell her, say, I no want kidnap your Pekin. I won't help you. Give me this Pekin. Say that's what the woman carry the Pekin give her. Before one other neighbor come out, come take style, come clean the woman up and everything. Say if you see the Pekin, very lovely Pekin when it born.
So my question comes be say, who can't they fire down?
My brother.
Who they give this woman belly like this?
Now the 5th child be that oh.
Number 5.
Who fire down?
This 5 now, it be 5 different men.
Oh.
So who can't they do this thing? That's my question. We thank God say Pekin don't come through a woman we know today, okay. We thank God for a child birth. But who be the papa? Who they donate?
I don't know. Who they shine this Congo where she they born?
I mean, this is come on, unrighteous.
You don't say you don't talk before. Say different people get spec.
Exactly. Now spec things. You understand? Some people just see woman they just do okay. You say, wow, she have find somebody.
But you know say again. But you know say again, spiritual things fit join them.
Ritual. They use and they do bad things.
They talk spiritual things fit join them.
That one self join. That one join. But now two things. One, if it be a ritual something. 2, if it be somebody who just to go to meet mad woman say, I love you, the Christ.
You know say spiritual or no spiritual. Some people no just get sense. Some people know when it comes to this conjunction box matter, they know they think. They know their brain don't off.
Any which way, make we leave story for
Storias. Sis Matana for Matthias. Story for Storias.
Okay, for Ogbolor Mayowa again, you say people like to be creative these days.
Yeah.
Some people have joined tattoo on their self, a tattoo on their body. Some people they draw tattoo for some kind of places where no one even see. But some other artists, two artists they call Wim Delvoye, and then one other one. They all wake up one day say, when they want draw tattoo, now on top pig body. Pig, what's a bit shock things? But it's a foreign pig, they're different too. Those foreign pig, they keep them as pet too.
My brother.
So this one now they draw different tattoo on top all the pig, of the owners them. Owner just wake up say, okay, different Disney characters, now all those cartoon characters them. On top pig body, they say they will give the pig anesthesia. Now be that medicine when you don't make them sleep. They can't draw on top their body.
But they go feel pain now. This is not deliberate putting of pain on top this animal body now.
They say that they give them injection.
Oh, make I ask you something. You don't do appendix before?
No, I don't go do.
Okay. People, I don't do one before, appendix.
Okay.
They go give you injection, make you for take sleep. But when you wake up,
the pain
you go still feel the pain.
Yes.
I think saying are the same thing even with animals.
No
matter the pain,
but they
go
still
feel them when they come back.
Inside their body. They don't shoot inside their body. But people, they will not collect their license to do this thing. If they say na tattoo, so we don't know whether they cut
maybe na permanent draw.
Na permanent draw in the jaw.
Because I know say then go when no be human skin, how you want to peel, heal?
Oh, you they get time for plenty things.
They don't get problem.
Now killing, now we dey sabi kill animal. No, they do all this one. No. Some they keep this pig for inside house.
Yes.
They keep and say, oh my God, the pig they do.
Up and down for inside house.
They happy, but for year we are killing it. Some people they keep goat as pets. You understand? Some people they keep goat as pet. Some people they keep duck as pet. Some people they keep different as pets.
Baboon, monkey, Ogbolor. It's a pet name.
It's a pet name. It go good to make I just see one pet just call Ogbolor. Make it be fine dog, sha. But Mayowa, you see we are heavy gorilla. We don't with the skin don't pee finish. Mayowa.
More go laugh the laugh.
Wait here, nothing. We not go anywhere. Shebi, you call me pet. You are calling me a petty something.
Bora, vai lá. Acho que vai lá, macaco. Meu Deus! Ai!
Get weight. They don't know say the thing no get weight.
People here just wake up, New York get, they just get half sense.
They don't just get sense.
Yeah? Say they fall inside. This is a lesson for everybody. Some people just quarter sense. Some people have sense. Some people not full sense.
No sense.
Some people no sense.
This common sense wey we dey talk,
it's not common
like that too.
My mama dey talk am well. Common sense here not common. Not be everybody wey wear clothes completely have get common sense.
Yeah.
Not be. You understand? Some they even sit down. They even do their long hair. You understand? They even present for TV. They start with M and they turn with end with A. You understand? Different people. Food. So everybody, behave
Come
yourself.
for this show.
Behave. When we start this show today now,
for this show.
Can you be emotional again? Please get back to your emotional state. Hey, it's good. Like think of the money where you not get. It's good for you. Picture Jare. So that you calm down. This one they remind me of person. It don't cover the whole ATM. It remind me of somebody where I know before. I don't want to mention your name because I know say they watch the show. Because if you don't see the show like it goes, it go cause come sit down on top of my head. It remind me of BB self. Well, this one now for different heights. Some people where Bible scripture says low. I'm with you always. There's some people where they very very brief, not so tall.
Yeah.
You see this one different heights and everything. It they work for them.
All right, okay, thank you so much for keep quiet.
But I get one friend where they call Bash like that. That ATM for work for her. Talking.
And you know what mention name.
You know them. Hey,
and you know what mention name. Kai, I beg, I'm trying to be professional, all right? Thank you so much for everybody who done join us on top of the show this morning. Thank you so much. I beg, join us for
yourself. You don't come for short finish.
I beg, join us for put them back. Oh yeah, now.
Very unprofessional. Una, thank you, Jare.
Thank you so much. Join us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Put us for that side. You understand me now. Make we for relate together onto the matter. And then follow us for YouTube as well. We did it for you. Wazobia TV/PADI. We go see all the episodes of YouTube plus all the ones we done they do since the beginning of Wazobia TV. Everything they did for you live and direct.
All right, thank you very much. As now follow us, take Joe on top of the whole every and special thank you to Mayowa, my co-anchor. Together we make sure they make everything they very spooky for all of now. All right, like I always talk, show love to somebody for outside there. All right, we love una bye Gary. Hey!